I really knew that I wanted to be making the world a better place than when I entered it. I believe in protecting the future of our planet and those who live on it. And so conservation biology, I kind of figured out through discussion, was the absolute way to go.
The Conservation and Ecology program is a major for students who love nature, who want to study it and who want to protect it for all people, but also for all the other organisms that share our community of life.
It really provides a whole other layer of meaning to a PhD or to a master's or to an undergrad when you know that you can walk out saying that you've honestly made the world a better place because your dedication and your work has been all focused on making sure that ecosystems benefit.
You work really closely with faculty members doing small research projects that might be inside the laboratory or field big research projects that might be out here in nature.
Going out into the field is the most essential part of conservation biology and ecology. Learning how to run an experiment in a natural setting is completely different than learning about it in a textbook. And so those are absolutely some of the most rich experiences I've had.
We encourage all of our students to get out into nature, first of all, to understand how nature works. We're embedded in a bigger university filled with people who are trying to understand how to make the world a more sustainable place and how to use science in a way that matters to people.
You are actively out there and you are saving species and preserving biodiversity. In order for humans to carry on and carry on our way of living, we need to be paying attention to habitat health and wildlife, ecosystem distribution, and making sure that we really care about it.